Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of 1 2 Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete your Zedge account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to delete your account on Zedge, just simply open your Zedge application at first. Then after that, just simply tap into this My Zedge option, and then after coming to this tab, just simply click into this gear icon into the top right. Then from there you will see this Zedge account option into top. You just simply have to go into there and click to this manage account. Then after clicking into manage account, it will lead you to this tab where you can get the option of delete account. Just simply tap into this delete account option, and after that tap to this delete account option in the purple color. Then your account will be deleted within the 28 days. But if you log in to your account within these 28 days, your account will be reactivated. By following these very easy steps, you can easily delete your Zedge account from your mobile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.